Good morning, Eisenhower Eagles. Today is Friday, August 25th, cycle day 2. You'll have library checkout today. Let's go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right. Boys and girls, you may be seated. For lunch today is chicken and waffles with syrup. Your B option is macaroni and cheese with a breadstick. And your C option is a ham kids bowl. Your sides are french fries and peaches. Tomorrow for lunch is whatever you have at home, or if you go out to eat, or whatever you do for that. Sunday for lunch, the next day, is whatever you have at home. So then Monday here, chicken drumstick with a dinner roll, or pepperoni pizza, or a crispy chicken wrap with baked beans and an apple for your sides. All right, so today's the 25th. Let's see if there's any birthdays. No birthdays. 0 birthdays today. Tomorrow, Saturday, we do have one birthday. Jackson Vieira. Happy birthday, Jackson Vieira. Boys and girls, when you see Jackson, tell him happy birthday tomorrow. Jackson, when you hear this, come on down to the office for your birthday surprise. Sunday, Dominic stamps. Dominic, happy birthday on Sunday. Boys and girls, when you see Dominic, tell him happy birthday Sunday. Dominic, when you hear this, come on down to the office for your birthday surprise. All right, so 2 people we should see at the office today. Hopefully they're here and not skipping school to party it up for their birthdays this weekend or to prepare. Boys and girls, let's make sure, I just want to do some reminders real quick to wash your hands. We're getting a lot of kids that are ill and sick, and attendance is very, very important for your learning. Also, if we do have perfect attendance. If you have perfect attendance, you get into the drawing for some special prizes. Okay, but if you're sick, you need to stay home. If you are really sick, but hopefully you aren't, and it's just maybe you forgot to eat breakfast or you just need a drink of water. We need to remember to keep drinking water too, because it is hot and dry outside. So wash your hands and drink plenty of water. Those are really, really important. If you need to get a drink and you don't have a water bottle, ask your teacher nicely for a drink. Now, don't use it to get out of doing math or doing reading or whatever. Don't ask for drinks multiple times throughout the day, like 7 or 8 times, so you're getting out of class. Let's make sure you're using it when you're really thirsty and you need that drink because you're getting lightheaded or something. Okay. All right. Another special announcement today: movie night. Mario Brothers movie. Okay, that's what we're going to be watching. If we have to bring it inside, it starts at 8 o'clock. If it's outside, it'll start when it's dark enough to be able to see the screen. So what happens is the sun sets behind where the screen goes, and it shines through the screen, and it's hard to see a movie. So when the sun gets down behind those trees, then we can get it started. Our PTO is putting it on for us. Thank you to our PTO. Make sure if you see any of our PTO members, they are putting it on. They're the ones that set this up and have it going. So make sure we're telling them thank you. Another special announcement. Yes, you can probably see the posters in the hallway for our school store. You will be getting information going home with you on Monday. It will be in your teacher's mailbox this weekend. And then when you get it home, give it to your parents. There's instructions in there on how to do things, on how they can support our school, but also this one really supports your teacher, your classroom teacher. They get a lot of things. So like some of those teachers that have those wobbly stools, a lot of those were received because of this fundraiser. Some of the other items that are in the classrooms were because of this school store fundraiser and the donations from people, not just your parents and the people here, but people from Florida, people from Kansas, people from Maryland, because of your extended families that live in other places or friends that live in other places. Okay. It's a good fundraiser for them. The school does get a little bit. Anything that the school gets, we're putting it in that fundraiser account for our playground equipment because it is in motion, boys and girls, and there will be more updates sent out to your parents about that. All right, boys and girls, let's remember our Boys Town is to look at the person. We're greeting others, sorry. You look at the person, you use a pleasant voice, okay? Not a mean or a harsh voice, a pleasant voice. If we're yelling at somebody, they're probably not going to listen. And they're not just going to say, well, okay, that's what you want, okay? If you want chicken and waffles for lunch, you don't scream, I want chicken and waffles, and then the teacher's just going to write it down. You use a pleasant voice. I'd like chicken and waffles, please, okay? Also, you can say hi or hello if you're greeting somebody, like in the morning when you're going, hey, good morning, hello, good morning, okay? Use your pleasant voice. Let's review those together with your teachers. This is up in everybody's classroom. It's in the hallway next to Miss Gibbons' office. All right, boys and girls, that's all we have for announcements today. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Remember, we will see you in the hallways, the classrooms, outside, all over the place. If you want to be an Eisenhower Eagle, you have to work hard, you have to be kind, then we can soar like eagles. We'll see you later. Good.